Hey boss, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. This is going to be a short introduction video, Microsoft Word, just like you can see on your PC right now, or on your, as you are seeing right now, this Microsoft Word, and we are going to start programming using Microsoft Word. Someone told me, David, why don't you make for me more videos? OSP, make for some videos more on Microsoft Word with Visual Basic. So I thought of that it might be something very pleasant to look from starting from scratch, so that you get to know how to get things get started. Let's get started and see. So underneath here, Microsoft Word has just launched into Microsoft Word. There's something we need to note down here on this kind of stuff. Don't worry about my activation being not there. Please don't worry. I'm not from Microsoft, but I'm David, as you can see, I'm under OSP. Now this is Microsoft Word. The first thing to do, in which I'm going to be showing you introduction to Visual Basic or VBA with Microsoft Word. This is going to be a complete visual video. I have over 10 series or 20 series that I'm going to be walking with you step by step to see how we do things with Microsoft Word. The first thing we're going to do is how to activate Visual Basic into Microsoft Word. That's the first video we are doing right now. How to activate the Visual Basic application into Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do, go to your files, and underneath file, go to options, and underneath options there, go to customize ribbon. And when you go to customize ribbon, just scroll down, just close this up there, scroll down, you should find something called developer. Make sure the Microsoft you're using at least is Windows, 2010 7 and above. If you're using 2003, it will not work out for you, my friend. Make sure it is 10 and above, 7 and above. So just come and tick on developer tool. What are you looking on to? We want it to pop up on top of this screen of ours. So if this is it, so if I just come down here and I just go here and make sure here is tick, give it a tick. So it has things that is going to guide for us, the develop, the mapping, control, all those stuffs. We want them to be added, and then just click OK. By the time you click OK, you should find the developer tool inside there, and that's the developer tool I just want you guys to have in your PC. So that's it, my friend, for this first introduction video, how to activate the developer tool to start a program with Microsoft Word. So that's the first video. I wish you to stay safe. Please stay tuned to the next video, which I'm going to show you how to start using up the developer tool and design a simple application like the chat application, whatever. We're going to just see on the next video. If you find this interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Love you.